Right, so this script is going to help us create the goal mask regions and the inbounds mask as well. So you run Python. Well, okay, so I've set up to run the script, Python robot scripts create goal masks. But first, I'm physically going to set the cube to the bottom left corner of the left goal region, because there's a loop here which runs through the different mask types, and the first is the left one, right? As soon as I run this script, the camera is going to take a snap, and OpenCV is going to pop up this window. You can see the cubes on the right here, but actually that's because the camera's on the far side of my setup. And I'm going to draw in the goal region. So we want the cube to land somewhere here, right? As part of the task. But the thing is, as you can see, because the cube has height, I actually need to be generous. So I need to extend the top and extend the right a little bit. And depending on where you put your camera, you might have to do something slightly different. And okay, so now I've colored in the left goal region, and now I'm going to grab the cube and I'm going to put it on the right hand side instead, and I'm going to press any key here to go to the next step. So now I've done that, and now I can draw the right goal region. And again, I'm being generous on the sides there because the cube has height, and we want to be able to capture it in the goal region. There we are. So that should cover us. And now I'm going to press any key again. It doesn't matter where the cube is now. Well, actually, I can set it to the corner of the workspace. So this last mask here is not to do with the goal that we're calculating, or the RL task. It's just that if the cube goes out of bounds, we want, and we're not attending to the training at that point in time, we don't want the training to continue with the cube just sitting out of bounds, because then we'll end up filling our data buffer with just a weird scenario where the cube's actually not in play. So I'm going to just draw a mask, and I'll be generous with it around the whole workspace. And the idea is that I want that if the cube fell out of the workspace at any point in time, I can detect that. And there's already code that does that in the training loop, so we just need to draw the mask. Alright, now just press any key, and actually, so in the outputs folder here, you should have all these three masks. So the left goal mask, the right goal mask, and this is not really named adequately, but it's the inbounds mask.